Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Money offered for postgraduate research is limited. As a consequence, some people argue that financial support from the government should only be provided for scientific research rather than research for less useful subjects. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Government's funding on postgraduate research is limited, so it must be used on scientific research as it brings more advantages rather than other areas. It can lead to cure of illness, advanced technology which is eco-friendly, and innovative gadgets easing the work and life. However, ignoring other areas such as education, philosophy, and sociology also contribute in the development of society. To start with the need to spend more on scientific research, the postgraduate research done in the field of medicine can help to find the treatment of the chronic diseases which may be fatal in future. Consequently, the findings can reduce the pain and suffering of mankind. Apart from this, green technology demands more research, otherwise survival of future generation will be jeopardized due to environmental issues. The purpose of prioritizing scientific research is country's progress and economic growth. On the contrary, there are many non-scientific fields which may be considered less useful, though ignoring them may be a great loss. The fields like education, arts, psychology, and sociology always contribute a lot in the study of human behavior, evolution of mankind, and study of culture and tradition. These enhance our critical thinking besides helping us in decision-making by considering morals and ethics. If education is ignored, then new methodology in education may not be available to impart knowledge. Moreover, there is interdisciplinary collaboration of all areas, though some seem more important than others. The solution of global issues such as poverty, hunger, climate change, etc. not only require the scientific knowledge but need the deep insights from psychology, economics, and ethics. In conclusion, I opine that the balanced approach while finalizing areas to be funded as only investment on scientific research cannot give the ultimate solution. There is need of understanding other areas including humanities, social sciences for the better and sustainable future. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.